Hey everybody, it's Desiree Andrews again. I have another product review for you. I'll check out my music, Desiree Andrews Music. It's a playlist, got all, 5 uh, currents up. So you guys check that out. That's not what we're talking about today. Okay, so I started this product review channel because I've got some favorite items that I wanted to show you because they're awesome. And one of them is actually called Clear Care. It hasn't been that long. Since I got my contacts, I probably got them like a month and a half ago. And the thing is, I've fallen asleep on them a couple of times. And when you do, you get proteins on them. Anybody will tell you, they just kind of get filmy and your eyes start kind of bothering you. You realize you're using more and more eye drops because they're itchy. Let me tell you, this will make your make your contacts like brand new, like they say. Really, really not kidding. What I use is like regular solution, a good bit of the week. And sometimes, if I fell asleep or if I got sleepy and I got sleep in my eye or, I've been in the dust or, around stuff that kind of gets in my contacts, I'll go ahead and give a good treatment. And it's like 3% hydrogen peroxide. Let me do it that way. So it's got 3% hydrogen peroxide. And I was reading on the container that, some people don't read instructions, I guess, because it was like saying that, you got to let it neutralize. And the thing is, it comes with this little thing here. And you see, you put your right contact in that one. It's got a little hump, I'll show you. And your left contact in that one. And so what you'll do is, I'll just do it. Why not, right? Okay. So, and by the way, I don't take my contacts out the way everybody else does. I mean, I tried to stick my finger in my eye, and I kind of got used to it, but it got sore. Forget that. Okay. So, yeah, I do that trick where you you grab the lashes like that. You grab them down like that. Got green eyes. See? Some people say that's alien DNA. I don't know. Do I look like an alien? Okay. Anyway, here we go. So I'm going to kind of squeeze it like that. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Did I get it? Yes. Look at that. Golly, there's the contact. Okay. So we've got the right one open. Ooh, there you go. Okay. So I'm going to kind of stick that little contact on that little hump there. No, I'm awkward. But you know what? Most people are a little awkward in one way or another. Okay, so I'm going to, if you can see, contact is on the little hump there. All right. And so what we'll do, I'm not going to do both of them. I'm just kind of showing you. Oh, crap. I'm going to have to let this neutralize for 6. May as well do both of them, and I'll just change my contacts and put in my other ones. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this other one really quick. All right, I'm such a ad-libber. Okay. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? No, I didn't get it. I'm kind of squeeze it. Ah, there it is. Okay. And if you drop them on the table, for sure, you want to rinse them off like with your regular solution, because once you put these contacts there, and you put the solution in there, it's got to stay for like 6 hours to neutralize. And the way it neutralizes, it turns that solution to water. I'm not a physicist. Damn it, Jim, I'm a songwriter, not a physicist. So fill this up. Okay, and then you just stick it down in there, and you squeeze it. I mean, you just close it, squeeze it. You don't squeeze it. You turn it. Okay, so they're stuck for 6 hours. That's okay, because you know what? It's going to clean them really good. I needed to cleaning on them anyway. It's been a couple of days. I'm going to go stick my other ones in. But anyway, I'm telling you, like tonight or in the morning, they're going to be so clear and comfortable. And I'm not going to lie. It is not supposed to burn after it neutralizes. I'm a little sensitive and I will feel a little sting. Somebody else said that their doctor suggested they rinse it off with the regular solution. Do it. It doesn't sting a lot. I mean, it's just barely a little, you just feel it, but it's clean. You know what I mean? So, I'm just gonna, let, that's my dog. I'm just going to let that sit there for 6 hours. You don't have to shake it or anything. I think I was just kind of shaking it. But, all right. So that's it, guys. Y'all, try this stuff. You'll love it. Your eyes will feel good. You're not going to get eye infections. And it's so easy to use. So, okay, guys. I'll see you next video. Mwah!